Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Today I have taken you guys outside. I'm not feeling well, I think because of the pollen and allergies. So today I'm going to be teaching you a few things in the park. Item number one that I can teach you guys in Setswana is that tree. There's so many things we can say about that tree. First thing first, setlhare. Tree. Setlhare. 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 That's a tree. Branches, you're gonna say dikala. 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 Guys, you focus on that tree, don't focus on my face because I know I'm miserable right now. If you see any booger, so dikala. Then we have those green leaves or leaves. Matlhare. Matlhare. Setlhare, matlhare. Matlhare means leaves, setlhare means tree, dikala means branches. And then we have like the stem right there. Oh, there's a kid right there. There's a stem. We call it tito. Tito ya setlhare. Then we talk about the size of the tree. We're gonna say setlhare se se tona, like big tree. Oh, I'm trying to locate a small tree. I don't know if you can see a small tree over there or there. Right there behind me, that's a small tree. Setlhare se senyenyane. Setlhare se senyenyane. Or setlatsana. But setlatsana will mean like a very, very small tree. Setlhare se se tona, setlhare se senyenyane, setlatsana. It was too loud. On the ground we have bojang. Bojang, and there are tiny flowers. My camera is just like over there. We go. We have white flowers there. We can call them ditunya. Ditunya. What else is in the park? Oh, you say ditlhare for many trees, like ditlhare tse dintsi ditlhare for like two. Oh, that was a fly. Remember, ditlhare for trees, setlhare for one tree, matlhare for leaves, dikala for branches, tito for stem, and ditunya for flowers, bojang, grass. Let me see, I'm trying to see what else is in the park that is of nature. Yeah, that's it. If you have enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and have a good day. Bye.